Mistakes are always forgives if one has courage to admit them. If you truly love life, don't waste time because time is what life is made of. A goal is not always meant to be reached. It often serves simply as something to aim at. Don't fear failure. Not failure but low aim is the crime. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. Preparation for tomorrow is hard work today. Only the one who does something will learn something. If you want to be a leader who attracts quality people, the key is to become a person of quality yourself. Motivation alone is not enough. If you have an idiot and you motivate him, now you have a motivated idiot.